Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today we are going to start the role of marketing. First, we have done some basic theory about marketing, and you almost did it well. You complete the assignment, and now some brief introduction about the role of marketing. After this, when uh, I give the detailed information about the role of marketing, then I will send a questionnaire, then you will solve it. Okay, so the role of marketing, as you know, that marketing is basically the function where the customer needs and wants to have to be fulfilled by any business. Now, what basically the marketing from the company side, from the company behalf, what is the importance? So first of all, identify customer needs, and this will done through market research. So you are familiar with this term, market research. Research in every country, in every subject point of view, research is the main important thing. Market research, where if you go to the different markets, you have to classify different prices, your competitors, what basically they are using uh, the product through different channels to provide for the uh, customer. So market research is important. You search for the price of your competitors. The companies search for the different brands up to date with different time being they introduce in the market. So market research is an important way to find out your customer needs. It will influence the development of a product, its price, and the sales technique. A good marketing department should also be able to anticipate, predict before happening changes of customer needs due to advancement in technology. Yes, if the situation occurs like nowadays, so what is the marketing plan? The marketing plan will be the customer need that they want each and everything at home. They want home service. So if your business is like this, so you can provide them to home each and everything. This is a marketing strategy because you are well known about the situation all over the world. Okay, so next, find new trends or gaps in the market with the potential. The second one is satisfy customer needs. Yes, it is important thing. If the customer is satisfied, then you will go through the next steps. If your customer is not satisfied, your product will not be selling. Who will buy your product? So satisfying customer needs, the maybe the customer want at that price, so you may research and find out the data why customer want that product in that price. Is uh, every business is based on upon the product. So what kind of product you introduce in the market, what sort of price you put in it, and why customer want to take that product in that in such price. Maintaining customer loyalty, building customer relationships, and make sure that existing customer will continue to buy from them and to attract new customers. The product which you offer to the customers is liable, is important to customer. If customer use it and that product make the customer happy, satisfied, then again the customer will tell to other people. and attract them. Your product attract by the different people and they will buy, and it is your progress and it is your achievement. Maintaining customer loyalty will be achieved by always satisfying customer needs. Markets don't stay the same forever. Businesses need to adapt to market changes in order to stay competitive. Some market change very often, for example phones, while some don't change quickly, jewelry or cereals. So all things about your product, which kind of product is that. So you have to change the scenario of your product. You will see, okay, the phones, they are updating every 6 months, every year, different updating phones, different version of phones come to the market, and the competition is too much high. So it's based upon your product. Market change because consumer spending patterns change. This might be due to. So uh, the thing which is the most important, that you will work on the customer loyalty. Trends and fashion change. For a period of time it might be fashionable to have a specific product, for example fidget spinner, but a month later no one buys them. So it is the trend in fashion. If like we have seen a lot of things which is made by the public popular, they run for 1 month, 1 week, and then after that no one will buy. For example, for kids, the games, different games available to the market, and it becomes trend, everyone want to buy, and after some time no one will buy. Why? Because the trend and fashion change. When fashion change, fashion, for example, uh, the fashion uh, for any climate change, when people came over them, they use it. After the climate change, they don't use it. Advancement in technology, new products provide the latest technology, so older version, for example iPads or computers, don't have high sales. Advancement in technology means when any different version, any updated version come to the market, so the older one, the older version, the people left over them, the people leave to use them, they want the superior one. And also it is because of all related technologies are working on the same page. For example, I give you the example of computer. If you are using before the P1 computer, P2 computer, P3 computer, P4 computer, so the software which is used in P1 computer, when the P3 comes to the market, the software which you have been used in P1 computer is not able to run in the P3 computer. So for the latest apps, for the latest technology, you have to update your base version, you have to update your basic technology. Like computer is running the different software. So nowadays, uh, what sort of technology you have, so the similar technology which used in that particular technology, both should be updated. And unemployment wages, economic with high unemployment rates, low wages will not have the high sales of expensive product. So the role of marketing, you also search about the market. If the market is down, means people are uh, not earning too much, so and in that regard, what your strategy will be, what sort of prices you put on your product. So it is necessary that your research is based on very little things. They keep eye on the customer. And aging population, different ages are interested in different products. Yes, the age is most important. Every men and women have different psychology and thoughts about the different products. Maybe at the age of 40 somebody will not use the smart iPhone or the smartphone, but at the age of and that man at the age of 25 he wants to use uh, the smartphone. Maybe he want to play at the age of 25 and 30 and 20, but the age of 40 now the scenario change, the environment change, so he don't want to play. So things becomes different with age. So if your business have the capacity to produce different types of product with different age, so you will put that you also put that in the market, so it will benefit to different ages of the people. So I think it is okay. You people also read it out. If any question, so then you ask me, and then we will discuss it. And after when you complete, then I will send you the assignment in this regard. Thank you.